Okay, I think we resolved the one problem, but we have a dirty carburetor. So got a little carb spray. We'll spray in there and see. We got, you know, because we kind of have like a sticky float, or you know, gets dirty in there. See what it does now. I'm not choking it or anything. Should have plenty of fuel. Alright, well, let's try this. Put it in gear. Some wide open throttles, you can get it. Back to neutral. See if it'll bark off. Yeah, flooded it. Yeah, flooded it. So I think we got a carburetor issue. I might as well just pull the carburetor off. There we go. It's not getting fuel. Or I flooded it. I don't know. It's a workout.
It's good for you.
It's just not warmed up. Yeah. Alright, enough of that.
Oh, come on. Pull on it about 2 more times.
No.
Come on.
Got my cardio for the day.
If that's your cardio,
Well, you go pull on it.
then you got problems.
You go pull on it.
No, I've already seen all the evidence I need to see.
Well, then don't. I mean, come on, man.
Yeah.
Get over there and get your workout for the day.
Just work that belly off that you got there going on there. Just work it off a little bit.
You need to get a little muscles there.
Easy.
Why? Yeah, that's what I mean.
With the pipes.
Yeah. See, you got no pipes.
No.
All right, let's clean this carburetor.
He's a broad brush painter.
A broad brush painter. Say that real fast. Okay, so I got the carb off. I want to make sure it's getting fuel. So let's give me a little water bottle. Stick that in there. And pump this up somehow. Hey Chuck, do me a favor.
Cost you $25.
Can you pump this bulb?
$5 a pump.
Wow, he's an expensive deal, man.
Till we win.
That's good.
It's hard though.
It's very yellow.
Probably bad fuel.
Yeah, that's very yellow.
That's one of the first things I start checking because, you know, I think a lot of people, they just go to the
He
gas.
says they just filled it up with non-ethanol. I'm like, that doesn't look like.
Let me look at it. Oh yeah, that's no good.
Pump some more of that through there. That's good. Yeah, well, just doesn't look very.
That looks like.
I mean, maybe you put an additive in it.
Well, if he did put an additive, it'll change the color.
Yeah.
You know, if he put.
What? It's like I can't tell if it's a carb problem or if he needs a new coil. It's almost like he has intermittent spark every once in a while. And that, you know, that's a coil thing. I guess I'll also, you know, like I don't know. Got the carb off over here. I'm gonna take it apart. See what it looks like. If it seems kind of clean, I don't know. I may just go ahead and clean it. But it's pretty simple, man. So like we just got that. Leave that alone. Just let it drain out. Let me take this apart and see what it looks like. So this has got this right here, I think. Yeah, that's tight. I mean, that's just use a little valve to seal everything off. Yeah, it is. It is pretty. Yeah, there ain't much to these carburetors. Let's keep all our pieces together. You get a bigger screwdriver. He did say he put an additive in it, so. Something like these. Yeah, we got some junk down there in the bottom. It's not terrible. Now it looks pretty good. I don't know. Throw it in the cleaner and clean it. I get my thing and disassemble it, clean it up. We got a jet right here. Oh yeah, that jet is clogged. Alright, well that's why it ain't running. Alright, well just throw it in there in my cleaner and clean it. I got this packed in here, but I think before I do anything, I'm gonna fix the cylinder on my lift. And of course it's all buried over there. So I'm gonna have to drag it out. Get it out of here so I can do this deal. I don't know where I'm gonna put everything. Gotta fix my cylinder, so I guess let me do that. Well, this thing runs pretty good. I just ran it. You know, guy's gonna come get it, so I thought, well, I better run it again. Because sure as crap, then all of a sudden something happens. But anyway, I choked it a lot when I first ran it, and it didn't like it. And so then I put the choke in, it fired off of one pull. How about that? So, pretty good. Should just fire right up. Yep, it does. It's a little hot, but you know, when it settles down to this, it's pretty good. I think I got it adjusted about right because there's an adjustment on the carburetor for your idle, but it runs alright. I think a little better fuel. You know, like I said, if you're on a sailboat, you know, and it's fully submerged in the water, you might need a little bit more throttle. You know what I mean? You might need like that or something. I don't know. But, I mean, that's kind of like, you know, anyway, she runs good. You know, I think they said they replaced the impeller on it, and it's paying good. Can't complain about that. That's pretty strong. Anyway, he's got a guy coming to get it. Of course, the people that brought it to me are the people that it's their engine, so somebody else is coming to pick it up. They seem like real nice people. It's always fun. But anyway, you can tell now it's kind of getting warmed up a little bit. But yeah, it runs good. Shut right off. It's not even hot. You know what I mean? So there's the old little Tohatsu 6 horsepower. Four stroke. Fucking talk. It works pretty good. Probably needs to be cleaned up a little better. I just kind of did a rough, you know. I might hit it with my grease gun on a couple places. You know, like on your fittings down here. Where are they? There. Anyway, there's one there and one up there. Grease it up for them and ship it. And it goes into gear pretty good. I like it. Yeah. It even goes into reverse. There's reverse. Yeah. Anyway, hope you saw that. So yeah, just idling like that. There's reverse. Back to neutral. It'll just sit and troll. That's reverse. And then there's forward. It'll just sit there. Yeah, it runs good, man. So he may have to bump the idle up just a hair. I don't know. Probably not. You know, you can do it with your throttle, but that's about where it, like if you throttle it up and then come back to that point, it's gonna do like this. So he might have to just throttle it just a hair, like when, you know, I don't know. I think it's pretty good though. I think he put it in the water, he probably ain't got to change nothing. But it shuts down good, this works. And it'll start right back up. There we go. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking the videos, and till next time, we'll see you on Hawkeye Marine.